utilizing a QSF as a resolution tool. Recognizing when and how to use qualified settlement funds can significantly enhance the resolution process in your practice. Often referred to as a QSF, a qualified settlement fund is a tax-qualified statutory trust which allows the defendant a full release when a settlement is paid into an account that acts as a temporary trust account. Those settlement funds can then be paid in cash, fund a structured settlement, attorney fee structure, or assignment, and settle liens or allocation issues between parties. A QSF created under Section 468B is flexible and allows for a wide array of case types, from class action, mass tort, even single event, and single plaintiff cases. Moreover, most plaintiff's attorney has encountered a defense representative or attorney, making things more difficult than necessary. The solution is to have the settlement paid into the QSF, thus removing the defense from the post-settlement process. With Eastern Point Trust Company's QSF 360 platform, submitting a QSF can be easily accomplished in 15 minutes online for as little as $500, typically established within a single business day. The QSF is then ready to accept assets from a transferor, defendant, or defense carrier, and provide the transferor with a complete release of liability. Recognizing when and how to utilize qualified settlement funds can grow your practice, reduce risks, and produce improved financial outcomes for you and your clients. Eastern Point's QSF 360 platform makes the process quick, easy, and turnkey, providing everything from the necessary documents to the required governmental approval and IRS registration. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for the latest videos. For more information on QSFs, please visit easternpointtrust.com.